Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mueen Aslam, the Managing Director of Faisalabad Community in M.A.self. I have received messages saying that ma'am, what is M.A.self? So basically M.A.self stands for M.A. Self-Realization Mental Health Association. Our association has a compassionate team of mental health professionals committed to empowering individuals to achieve self-realization and optimal well-being. There are communities in almost every city of Pakistan to help and provide people with mental health awareness and counseling facilities. Our association is affiliated with the prestigious American Psychological Association, ensuring the highest standards of care. We also provide physical workshops and knowledgeable webinars for students and make them ready for practical process in their professional lives. Together, we embark on a journey of growth, healing, and endless possibilities. You can contact us for any help related mental health issues. Thank you.